Alright guys, welcome back to day 2 of the Michigan series, and what we're actually planning on doing today is we're heading down to the same river we fished in our last episode just for a couple hours in the evening, and we wanted to fish it this morning, hopefully get on some more smallmouth bass, and it is very early in the morning, but after that we're actually planning on heading to a pond my cousin has. It's like a private pond. It's supposed to have like largemouth bass and pike and all that kind of stuff in it. And for if you have not watched last episode or new to what's going on, me, my dad, and my brother are up here in Michigan and are my cousins, and we're fishing. So what we're gonna do is gonna be heading down the river in a few minutes. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, we're almost back out here. And what we're going to be using today is just this little tube. And it's like kind of like a crawl color. So hopefully we can get something on it. Do you? You already on? Awesome. My brother's already on, guys. Awesome. No, he is. That's awesome, guys. My brother's already on. Feels like a good one then, hopefully. That's great. That was the first cast, wasn't it?
That was the first cast.
Up.
There ain't no way.
Yeah.
I am.
Well, I'm happy for you guys. That's awesome.
You got a measuring tool?
I think in my bag I do.
I still got way down to get my.
That's awesome, man.
Goodness gracious. Is that a keeper? I don't think he's quite big enough, but I'm wearing him out. He's got a lot of fire in it. Goodness gracious. Dude, they last a lot longer fighting than us.
Oh yeah, they're a lot.
Hey, don't go any farther. I caught.
Well, no, I was gonna get a good view of your fish. You'd hold it up.
Man, I took that. Look at that thing pulling the grass. Philip, you may have another keeper there, Doc. Where is yours, bud? He's still fighting.
That's awesome, man. I know, they're a hard fighting fish, man. Hold that up there. That's awesome. Look at that.
Philip, what do you think? Probably a little short.
Yeah, that's short.
That looks short.
Yeah.
Yep.
But here, hold it up.
Your measuring tape.
Look at that, guys. What do you think? It's pretty good. No, it's not. I can tell it's not. No, he ain't. There ain't no way.
So we're gonna need it.
It's in my backpack. But yeah, that ain't 14. Wow, that's a good fish. That's awesome.
Yeah, once you guys get numb, it's
That's a big bat. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. All right. Yeah.
We were playing in the fastest.
Really?
Where's that snag at? You said
It's about from the front of the pylon to me. It's about 4.5 feet off that pylon.
there's a log line.
I think that's about 13, actually.
You gonna measure?
That looks a little small.
I think it's too small.
Yeah,
That's my
it
opinion.
is.
I can tell you about my hand.
Be
Yeah, I think that's another keeper.
We got the string down.
Come to you, right?
Yeah, he's right there. Look at that. That's a nice one. That's another nice one. Yeah, that's another probably 15.
Whoa. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper.
Mm-hmm. Let me take the stringer off.
Yes, sir.
That's definitely a keeper. Hold that one up. That's another nice smallmouth. Wow. So how many are you allowed to keep actually per person?
5 a day.
Per person?
Yep.
Okay. That's a beautiful fish. If you could hold my pole real quick. No, you're good. Look at these 2 bass he caught. That's gorgeous. It's big bass. You on? Awesome.
Really? Whoa. Okay.
All right, let me roll mine in before I get caught in yours.
Oh, he's a big guy.
Well, hey, better than nothing. Oh, nice little one. Finally caught one. We've been going for a long time. But awesome. You on? Awesome.
Yep. This is a good hole.
Oh, sorry. Okay. You think that's... it's close. I don't know if that'll be keeper or not. Ooh, he got off. He went between my legs.
Oh, Evan had one?
No.
It came off right between his legs.
That's funny.
Was it a small one? It could have been a measurer. In other words, we needed to check it.
He's on again. Tell you what, I might have to steal one of those blue ones from you because I don't have any blue ones. Yeah, but I haven't hardly got any bites on this crawl.
So I was swimming it. In other words, I wasn't keeping it on the bottom. I was swimming it across.
Okay.
Try that and see if that does anything.
They fight hard in that. Let's see. I don't think that one will go. No.
No, I don't think so. He's just gonna have fun. Keep going.
Mm-hmm. Look at it. Look, he's right there.
Get your head, son. Get your head.
Yep, nice one. Awesome. That's what, you're like 5th one?
Yeah, something like that.
That's awesome. That's about a 13-incher. All right, guys, I changed to blue because he's been nailing them on the blue, and I can't get a bite. Hardly to save my life. So. Oh, right here, guys. That blue color, as soon as I threw in the blue, I'm telling you, it creamed it. It's not a big one, but I'll take him for my first one of this morning. There we go. Finally, guys, look, finally got my largemouth smallmouth of the morning. He came and creamed it. Look at there, beautiful fish. We'll put him in the water, let him go. They're doubled, guys. Are you guys doubled?
Yep. Either that or we got the same fish.
Haha, they're doubled, guys. That's awesome. Look at there. They're doubled. Awesome, Ivan. It's a small one, but that's great. Doubled up. Those blue are killing it. Wow, guys, look at there. Doubled up. That's awesome.
Fun time.
Well, Dad, have you caught a fish yet? Oh man, get over here and get onto one.
Well, he's getting his swivel off, because I guarantee you that's what's not.
All right, guys, we are heading back up the river because we have to be back to his house by like 11, 12 o'clock. And then we'll probably eat something, and then we're gonna go fish that pond. So I will see you guys at that pond. All right, we are at the pond our cousin told us about, and it looks amazing. And our cousin wasn't able to come this time, but he's actually letting us use his boat. So we're actually just getting it in the water, and we're gonna get to fishing. But they're supposed to, I mean, look at this pond right here. They're supposed to be big largemouth. They're supposed to be crappie, pike. I don't know if there's perch in here or not, but it just has lilies all the way pretty much around it. It just looks amazing. So we're gonna get this boat in, and I can't wait to fish this. You got one? Careful, careful. Don't make sure your drag's set. Make sure your drag's set. Awesome, Ivan.
There's a net.
Where's the net? Okay. Make sure your drag's set. All right, go. Awesome. Look at there. Is that a worm? Awesome.
All right, hang on.
That's awesome. Look at there, Ivan. Beautiful.
Hang on. You gotta take a picture for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a picture.
Beautiful.
Did you just have a piece?
Good job, Ivan. Pretty much, yeah. You just had a piece. All right, guys. I just caught this little teeny brim, and what I'm gonna do on this gold minnow, what I'm gonna do is stick it. I'm actually gonna drop this over. I'm gonna stick it on my big one right here with the bobber, and I'm gonna see if I can't catch a bass off of it, because a bass will hit a small brim. So that is the plan for now with this. Oh shoot.
You put the whole brim on there?
Oh yeah. No, you leave it alive. Oh, come on.
What's this one?
Oh, wait a minute. The bobber went under. Hold up, guys. My bobber's gone, so we're going to see what happens. Well, I'm going to wait on it. Let it go. If it...
It was pulling your string. I'm going to pull my other one in because it's gone.
Well, guys, the bobber's gone, so we're going to see if there's a bass on there here in a second. I'm going to make sure it's...
Just tighten it up so you can feel it.
Oh, I am. But I want to make sure it swallows it.
I'm sure it's swallowed.
Well, let's see. Got one. Good one. Good bass. Well, it's something.
Might be a big brim.
Yeah, no, there's head shakes. There's a bass on there. This is a good bass, guys. A big bass. I knew that would be what would be to get it. Or a pike. This could be a pike. I can't pick him up. This is a good fish, whatever it is. Don't jump. Oh, that's not as big as I thought.
He got that little.
Oh my word, that's not even a big bass, guys. It felt like a big bass.
He got that brim.
He did.
That's what he was after.
That's the way to do it, Ivan. I'm serious.
That worked. I can't believe it.
No, they do that all the time. But here, I want to see that. He's not as big. I thought he was huge. Well, guys, he felt a lot bigger than he actually is, but that is a pretty bass. Wow. I thought it was a monster. Let's let it go.
Well, there's that brim.
Yeah, but I need a live brim. But man, that worked. I thought it was a big one. Yeah, here, be working on that for me. Okay, here, that's not a bad crappie right there. Look at there, guys. Pretty little crappie.
Awesome. Something needs to go right for her.
Yeah, it was. I would throw you a gold minnow right out in this little area.
All right, put it on. What are you doing? Just letting it
Sink and just slowly reeling, and then stopping and then reeling, and they're just hitting it. Got one. I'm getting crappie on every cast. Wow, look at here. Another one. I'm getting crappie on every cast.
like that.
Wow.
Letting it sink.
That's crazy. We were about to go, and then I started getting on crappie.
Good night. Dad, that's a monster.
Got one.
Every cast, man. That's what, 5 in a row?
Yeah, I think. Look at there. That's like my 5th, 6th crappie in a row.
Yeah.
Well, the one.
More keepers if you wanted them.
Kind of. Basically, you're gonna reel it along there, and then pause it, and then you won't even feel them bite, and you'll just jerk it, and they'll be there.
There's still a little bit of worms left there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get Dad back in here.
Got one. Look at there. That's actually another pretty nice one.
Wow. Yeah.
Wow. Look at there, guys. Another nice crappie. And we could be keeping these, but we have some other fish, so we don't need to keep them. I'll let them go. Well, another cast since I caught another one. Well, guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. It's been a gorgeous, well, morning and evening out here because we've been fishing all day. Unfortunately, we didn't get no huge bass or nothing, but I mean, we got a couple good ones, good bass, and got a whole bunch of crappie and brim, so it's been a wonderful day. Couldn't ask for better weather, so I will see you guys in the next episode, and thank you guys for watching.